What's up, y'all? Okay, so this has been on my mind literally like the past 2 days, so it's time to get it off and do something about it. So I have been in a space where I'm like, what am I really doing with my art? What am I doing with my creativity? I feel so at peace, such in a blissful state when I'm creating, when I'm just executing my art or vision. I just feel so good. But then I'm like, okay, after I'm done doing that, what you do? What do you be doing with the things that you create? And I feel like I have overly consumed my creativity. What do you do after? What are you gonna do after you create these things? And I realized that I've been waiting for others to find me. I've been waiting for somebody to put me on, to find me, to see my dopeness, to see my work, to see and just choose me, put me on. And I'm like, yeah, that ends today. I choose to find myself. And I had to really sit with that. I'm just like, you've been waiting for somebody to find you and you haven't even found yourself. So, hold on. They're gonna be really loud up in this bad boy. Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the program. But I've been in a state of, now what? When are you actually gonna see you? When are you gonna actually see your rawness? What are you gonna do after you're done overly consuming yourself? What you finna do? So I choose right now to really believe in myself. I really choose right now to go past that waiting stage for somebody else to do this for me. So it's time for me to really bet on myself and my artistry, getting all of these ideas that are either in the ground or non-existent out. I can draw by looking at any and everything, but that's already a blueprint. I need to continue to, not even continue, but I need to actually start putting things out from here and here, creating with my eyes closed, and knowing that I should trust myself when it is my creation, my creativity. So I'm just going on a nice little journey and see how I can pull out this artist that's within that I've never met. Honey, I'm excited. I'm excited to just see how it is to create blind, yet trust in full effect. Trust and just have fun again. Just have fun and not trying to do so much of being perfect, but finding myself in the strokes of paint, finding myself in the whatever the heck I decide to use, because charcoal is definitely on my mind. But yeah, I'm about to start this journey of true artistry and I'm excited about it. Yeah. But okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's see where it begins, where it starts, and I'm deciding to start right now. So, well, before I say bye, okay, so you see yellow shorty right here. It's about time I actually do something with her. I'm going for a more like, yeah, that you're gonna see when I do it. I just do it right now. But I know at the same time I just don't know